I'm gathering my measurements here. We're going to go ahead and jump into AutoCAD and design the O-ring. We're going to print it, and here is the final product. You can see it's flexible. I'm going to test the fit and pull off the bowl. Basically drop in our O-ring here. This is 2 millimeters thick, which might be on the little bit of the thick side, but I think it'll work just fine. We'll go ahead and tighten down this bowl with a 10 millimeter, and then we will go ahead and throw it onto the mower. This is a super simple install here. It's basically just two 10 millimeter bolts. Basically get the linkages linked up, and then we'll slide it on and roll it outside to give it a go. This is like maybe the second pull here, and it starts right up. Super happy with the way that this turned out. So I'm pretty sure I can pull the bowl off without actually pulling the carb. I'm gonna lay this towel underneath here, and then we just need a 10 millimeter box end wrench. We should be able to pull this thing off. And I shut off the fuel and ran it as out of gas as I could. There's obviously gonna be probably a little left in there. Okay, so again, this was printed on the 3D printer, and I took the measurements with a caliper, and it is sealed perfectly. I've not seen a single leak anywhere, and it's held up really well. This was printed with TPU filament, which is kind of more of a flexible filament, but I'm super impressed. Again, this has only been a week, so time will tell, but I don't see any additional softness or anything that shows me that this is going to fail long term. Now, the dimensions that I printed were slightly off. Actually, I printed the exact dimensions that it needed to be, but it shrunk a little bit during printing. So we're off by probably 1/4 of a millimeter on actual fitment from the exterior walls and the carb for the bowl, but I don't think it caused any issues whatsoever, and it's very, very minor. This actually was printed about 1 millimeter thicker than the gasket that comes with it as well. But overall, I'm super impressed with this. And we'll compare it. It's made out of a different material, the actual carb gasket. And it's a lot thinner. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in thickness there. But it worked perfect. I'm really impressed with it. Like I said, the only reason we're switching this out is because it's going to be sold, and I don't want somebody to have issues with it in the future. If we were keeping it, I would just keep that gasket in there and we would test it long term. But we'll go ahead and throw this new one in there. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I love experimenting with this kind of stuff. I will keep you posted on any other gasket stuff that we do on the channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.